Anybody know what this problem is? Is it the gauge, or is it something else is messed up? Still runs. I don't know. This started after I had a coil wire was melted and arcing out on the motor. I'm thinking that might be part of it, but see how it keeps flashing like that? The only thing that's working is the fact that it's lit up and speedometer stopped working. Is it fried, or is there? I don't really want to tear it apart yet until I know. If it's a gauge, then I'm not going to bother tearing it apart. I checked all the fuses, checked the diodes. Everything's good as far as I could tell, except this. Oh, the reverse override isn't working. I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not. Could be a wire, I guess. It's Arctic Cat 700. Everything was dry underneath. And plug this shit. Still doing it? Yeah, still doing it. Check the wires. Everything seems to have the right voltage and stuff, so I'm leaning more towards the gauge. Any thoughts? Let me know.